In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the featured section to your LinkedIn profile. If you want to make your profile stand out, the featured section is a great tool to use. It lets you highlight important content right near the top of your profile, so visitors can quickly see your best work, important links, or key accomplishments. This can be especially helpful if you want to draw attention to something specific without making people scroll through your entire profile. To begin, go to LinkedIn and open your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or the Me menu, then navigating to your profile page. Make sure you're on your own profile, not someone else's, because the editing options only appear there. Once you're on your profile, take a quick look at the top section where your main profile details are shown. Next, click on Add Section. This option allows you to expand your profile by adding new content areas. If you don't immediately see it, look around the top part of your profile where LinkedIn places profile editing tools. This is the menu where you can customize different sections of your page. After that, click on Recommended. LinkedIn organizes profile additions into categories, and the featured section is located inside this recommended area. Opening the correct category helps you find the option faster and keeps the process simple. If you're new to editing LinkedIn profiles, this is a useful menu to become familiar with because many valuable profile enhancements can be found here. Then click on Add Featured. This is the option that creates the featured section on your profile. Once selected, LinkedIn will begin the process of adding that section so you can showcase content in a more visible and professional way. The featured section is designed to give extra attention to the items you most want profile visitors to notice. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, the featured section will be added to your LinkedIn profile, making it easier to spotlight the content that matters most. As a quick tip, after adding the section, make sure the items you place there are relevant, polished, and aligned with your professional goals. Since this area is highly visible, it can make a strong first impression. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your LinkedIn profile with confidence.